RVA Today, sponsored by Renewal by Andersen.
Welcome back to RVA Today. I'm your host, Naomi Brackett, and today's sponsor are our friends at Renewal by Andersen. And, you know, our homes are some of our biggest investments, and we really want to do everything that we can to protect that investment. And replacing faulty doors or windows can be a huge part of making sure that your home is safe and comfortable for the duration of your time there. Today, I'm here with Lucy O'Shields from Renewal by Andersen. Now, that's the full window replacement division of Andersen Windows,
yes.
And she's here to share some important information about how you can keep your home safe. Welcome,
Hi.
Lucy. Hi, it's great
Nice
to
to
have you
see
on the
you.
program, always. So let's talk a little bit about replacement doors and windows.
Yeah.
A lot of people want to kind of push that project as long as possible.
I know.
What are some of the risks of waiting to replace a bad door or window?
Well, if you think about it, once a window and door starts to fail, that problem really isn't going to go away, right?
Yeah.
And it's most likely going to get more costlier for that homeowner. In my mind, when you think about a wood window or a vinyl window that begins to leak, all of that moisture is going to go into those walls, and that's going to cause extensive damage, right? And if you think, let's talk entry doors, right? Over time, they age, they sag, they warp. That's going to leave a gap, and that gap is going to have you increasing your heat over the winter. We've had that winter, right?
Right.
So if you think about it, once you start noticing the signs, we need to do something about those doors and windows.
Absolutely, because
Yeah.
it's not just about a bad door or window, it can actually compromise the integrity of your whole home in a lot of different ways. Now, so let's talk about, you know, you've got wood windows, you've got your vinyl windows, but you guys actually use a different material. Tell us a little bit about Fibrex and how that helps keep your home insulated and safe.
Yeah, so our Fibrex window is actually a composite made of wood and thermopolymers. It's twice as strong as vinyl. It's never going to warp, bow, or crack. Now, it's got the strength and beauty of a wood window as well, but you're never going to have to scrape it or paint it. So it's got the best of both of those materials, but Fibrex eliminates all the negatives.
Wow, that
Yeah.
is incredible. A great option for people looking to increase the longevity of their homes.
Yes.
And you guys are also so invested in making sure that something like a window replacement or a door replacement, a big project, is an overwhelmingly positive experience for the homeowner.
Yes.
What are some steps that you guys take to ensure that?
Well, I think you've been there. We've had, you know, those home improvement salesmen come into our home and they're high pressure and they try to sell us things that we don't really want or need, right?
Right.
That's not us. We're going to come in, we are going to give you that in-home consultation, and that really is truly a consultation. We're going to listen to your needs. We're going to take your advice and actually give you advice only when asked, so that by the time we're done with our project, our homeowners are going to feel that it's the best home improvement experience they've ever had.
That is a fantastic mission. And I know that right now is a really good time for people who are needing to replace the door or window to get on board with Renewal by Andersen. Tell us a little bit about that deal that's going on right now.
Absolutely. It's really exciting. It's our 31-day sale. So it's our spring sale. You can get every window, patio door, or entry door that you purchase. You can get the next one 40% off, and you can get it an additional $300 off your entire project, plus no money down, no payments, no interest for an entire year.
Well, that is a huge savings. If you'd
Yeah.
like to take advantage of this deal, you need to visit qualityyoutrust.com or call the number on your screen. Thanks so much, Lucy.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching RVA Today. We'll see you next time.